Hello YouTube, this is Stephen Holmgren and we got another fire alarm to deal with today. This is now in my hobby system. It's a First Alert. Let me get the model number for you. It is a First Alert model SA304 with the escape light. So here we go, we're going to give it a test. It's got the side battery door and the escape light. One more time. And that's it.